This is Laura GB, and in this video we're going to have a look at resetting slicers. So here we are in the same report as my slicer video, created. Now if I apply some filters using the slicers, so let's go for Alice's flower shop, and let's go for the flowers in her flower shop, and let's limit it down to a particular date range. Okay, so there we are, we've got our data for Alice's flowers in that particular date range. Now I might want to be able to undo all those filters. So I don't want to have to go through them all, I might miss one. So I want a button up here in the top that will be a reset button. So in order to do that, what we need to do two steps. One, create a bookmark. Two, add a button that goes to that bookmark. So let's firstly manually remove our slicers. Okay, so we go back up to our 2.27 million. Okay, and off the view ribbon, I'm going to bring in the bookmarks pane on the right hand side here, and we're going to click add to add a bookmark, and there we are, it adds bookmark 2. Now I've added one before, you can see above. Now I'm going to rename that bookmark to be page 3 reset, so that I can remember what it's for. Okay, so that's created my bookmark. Now I can apply some filters just to test it works. So I've got 2 filters applied, click on page 3 reset, and those filters get removed. So then I'm going to click close on my bookmarks, and then off the insert ribbon I'm going to select, I can either select a button or a shape or even an image. I'm going to select a button, and actually any of these you can select apart from the Q&A one. So I'm going to pick the reset one. It puts it top left, so I'm going to drag it over here. Let's make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And I'm going to, in the visualizations, you'll see there's nowhere to put data. So it just shows you the different formatting options. And in the formatting options, there is an action section. And I'm going to turn that on. Change the type to be a bookmark. And on the bookmarks, select my page 3 reset. Okay, and I'm going to give it a tooltip of reset slicers. Okay, so now if I go back into my report, I do some filters. Now because we're in Designer, okay, in order to click that button, you've got to hold down the control key when you're clicking it. When you publish your report up into the service, your users won't need to click the control button, but it's just to distinguish between selecting and clicking. Okay, so we can put in a different set of filters. And there we go. I can hold down the control key, click on my button, and it will remove all those filters. If you haven't already, please press subscribe. Take care now.